Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be talking about my natural hair journey, and I'm really excited because it's like my first official video, and I've just been getting so many questions about my natural hair. I have been natural for 4 years. It's my natural anniversary. That's what I'm just going to call it. It's my natural anniversary. Well, it's coming up soon, and I just decided to start off my channel with my natural hair journey video. So I have been natural so 4 years. 4 years I've been natural, and it's been a long journey, y'all. It's been a long journey. But yeah, so I decided to go natural because I wanted to embrace my naturalness. I really wanted to embrace the natural hair that God gave me. I was tired of getting chemicals put in my hair. I was tired of getting my scalp burned. I was tired of all of that. I just wanted to really embrace what God gave me and love who I was. And that's when my self-love journey really started, was when I became natural. And I don't regret it. I don't regret going natural, not one bit. So December of 2013 is when I got my last relaxer, and I decided to start transitioning. I would not, refuse to big chop. Like, I just couldn't. You have to understand that my whole life I really have had long hair. I've never had short hair. So for as long as I can remember, I've had long hair, and I was not about to just big chop all my hair off, relaxed or not. It wasn't going to happen. It wasn't. So, I was like, I'm gonna go natural, and that's that. That's that. Like, that's that. So I started transitioning of January 2014. That's my official, January 1st, 2014 is my official, I'm gonna start transitioning. Basically, during this time, I was doing Bantu knots, and I was really just trying it. I was trying this natural thing. Some days it was just not, I wasn't having it. I didn't care too much for it. It was just too much. It was too much for the kid. But my Bantu knots were my go-to thing. I always wore my Bantu knots, and it was just my go-to thing. And so this is how short my hair was. My hair would never go past my shoulders. When I tell you, my hair would never go past my shoulders. My hair never went past my shoulders. And it was so frustrating. I'm like, can we at least get right here? Like, something. So then one good day I decided I'm gonna cut all this off. I don't even want the stringy ends no more. I'm through with it. I was watching YouTube. This is when I started watching YouTube. I was heavy watching it, and I was watching all the natural girls, and I was just like, I'm cutting it. I'm just cutting all the stringy ends. I don't want the stringy ends no more. This is frustrating. Like, half my hair is really curly, half my hair is just straight. It's just, no, I didn't want it no more. So I was just like, I'm gonna cut it. So I took them good scissors, and I just cut my hair off. Like, I cut that hair off. I started from the back, and I was just like, cut it off from the back. And then I started seeing my little curl pattern that it was back then. I was like, oh, this is nice. I could do this. I could do this. So I just started cutting the rest off. And it was so funny because my mom telling me, like, you want to go natural? Do not wake up tomorrow telling me crying, oh, I cut my hair, I miss my hair. I was like, alright, bet, I'm not going to. So I cut all my hair off, and I was just shocked. I was like, what did I just do? But you know what? It's gonna work out. It really hit me the next morning when I just didn't know what to do to my hair. I was just like, what do I do with this? What do I do with my hair? It's short. What do I do with it? My mama couldn't tell me. I had to figure it out. I had to figure out how to do my hair. So that was that picture. 2014, November of 2014, my poof. check out my poof. My poof was so short, y'all. My poof was short. It was like non-existent, child. My my poor poof was just, it was so short. Then I decided to do this cute little, this is my hair in December of 2014. I did this like cute wash and go is what I called it back then, and it was cute. It was a cute little fro. I like my fro. It was a cute little fro. I really liked my fro. It was cute, and it was cute. I don't know what was going on with these glasses, but you know, my fro was cute. That's all that mattered, and I felt cute that day. So fast forward to February of, well, this picture is my hair in a big, this was my hair when I like kind of picked it out. I decided to pick it out, comb it out, do whatever it out, and it was nice. I was like, yo, this is my hair. I just big chopped in September, and this is how long my hair is. So that was like a good feeling to know that my hair was really growing. So then I did my poof, my good poof in February of 2015. Well, the next month, the following month, I did a poof, and look at this poof and this poof. Just my my poof was what I thought Greek poof. Like, this was like big hair, don't care. Like, y'all, I was feeling myself. I was feeling my poof for real. So then April came along, and I decided I wanted to blow my hair out to see how long it really was. When I tell you, this was the day I knew I was never going to put a relaxer in my hair again. I knew this day, never again. Creamy crack wear, not in this head. No ma'am, no sir, nope, not happening. Because look, inches. When I realized my hair can get that straight without putting relaxer in it, I was just like, there's no point to ever put a relaxer in my hair. My hair is more beautiful without the relaxer than with it. So this is all natural. This is all natural, honey. Like, no more relaxers. Like, I was so happy. And then so I was just putting my hair in like poofs and just twisting it out, and I was really experimenting with my hair. I could have done more as a natural then. I would call myself a lazy natural, because I did afros, twist outs here and there. Bantu knots didn't really work anymore for me. I would just go to my poof for real. My poof was my go-to. It always has been, always will be, because like, who doesn't love a good poof? Who doesn't love a good poof? Like, so yeah, this picture was in October of 2015, and it was cute. It was cute, and I liked it. And I just wanted to take a picture because my hair was down to here now, and it was just up here a year ago. It was just up here. So my birthday had came by, my 21st birthday. I had my hair in like a little side part. It was like really short to me. Like, now looking at it, it was short, but my hair was long to me back then. And so this is where my little tradition started of doing new things to my hair on New Year's Eve. And I decided to get my hair colored. I really did like my hair color. I love that hair color. I really want to go back to it, but it was like a color that I don't even know what she mixed up for me to even go back to it. So this hair color, amazing. And then my hair went past my shoulders, y'all. That's all I ever wanted, was for my hair to go back past my shoulders. Like, that's all I wanted in my life. That is all a girl ever wanted. I did. And then I took this picture of my hair of February 16th and did a poof picture from my February of 2015. Thank you, Lord, for growth. Thank you, Lord, for growth. Thank God for growth, y'all. Thank God for growth, because that growth, in April, I decided to do this really bomb twist out. Everybody was so mad at me because all semester I was so lazy with my hair and didn't do nothing. And then, like, towards the end of the semester, I decided to do this really bomb twist out, and everybody was just like, "What? Who are you? Who is that? I don't know who that is." And I was like, "I don't know who she is either, but she out today." Because, y'all, I did this twist out and I was feeling myself. I couldn't. That's my first bomb twist out I ever did. Like, all my other twist outs were alright, but this one couldn't tell me nothing. Couldn't tell me nothing. And then that's when I was like, alright, I'm gonna take my hair more seriously. I'm gonna just start doing things to it. Did I? No. But you know, I had every desire to do something to my hair, but I was a lazy natural. I'm not gonna lie. I was a very lazy natural. But I started doing little cute hairstyles like that year. And then in September, I decided to straighten my hair. I had my cousin straighten my hair, and I looked like a snack this day. I looked like a meal. I looked like a meal. Forget a snack. I looked like a meal. And my hair, I was just like, yes, it's so long, it's so long, it's so long. And then New Year came up, and I was like, ooh, what you trying to do? What you trying to do to your hair, sis? What you trying to do? Apparently I wanted to cut it, and I cut my hair. Well, I went to my beautician and she cut my hair, and she decided to show me the picture after, because she knew if she showed me it before that I'll be like, nah, we're not cutting this. I wish you would have showed me before I cut it, because do y'all see how beautiful and long my hair was? It was almost basically to my bra strap. Like, it was bra strap length, and I cut my hair into a bob. The good bob. So this was my hair when I cut it. It was cute though. My hair was, I felt like a new woman. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I felt like a new woman. Then the last time I straightened it in the bob is, like, I think when I went to Miami. I'm gonna insert a picture, but like, I think that was the last time I had straightened it, and I was just like, for what? Because I never straightened it again after that. So I didn't even get to show the bob because I didn't want to damage my hair with the heat. So I was just like, you cut your hair for nothing. But I was like, you know what? Let's just look at this as a new start. You can do new things to your hair. You can take care of your hair. And I'm not gonna lie, I did. I started doing twist outs. I started doing braid outs. Then I went back to my poof. My poof was my favorite. I would try to have it out, but it was at this awkward length stage. Like, the front was so much longer than the back, and then I was just like, I don't like it. So I will always try to just do my poof up, or I would try, and so I decided to like cut my hair into a heart shape. It was cute. I liked it. It kind of made it even. I cut all this off. Like, I did it myself, and it was pretty cute. I'll insert some pictures, but it was really cute. To me, it was. And then this was my December of 2017 picture, Christmas. My hair was really cute. I was cute. This picture was cute. Yeah, so now all these pictures are basically up until now, but I'm just super excited. I'm excited that I did this, and now my hair is just growing and growing and growing every day, and I get to do new things to it. I really want to dye it again, but we'll see. I don't know. And I'm just excited for you guys to really journey with me and go on my natural hair journey some more. Alright, so this is the end of the video, really. I'm just so happy that I decided to go natural. It was probably one of the best decisions that I've made. and it really started my self-love journey, and we can talk about that in another video. But you know, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're natural, leave your, you know, your length, like if your shoulders, bra strap, waist, whatever it is, how long you've been natural. But yes, y'all, thank you for stopping by, and I will see you in my next video.